Introducing the Advanced Witness Series, a WS-5012 Intellect Torque Tester, a revolutionary instrument designed to transform your torque measurement and testing processes. This advanced torque tester combines precision, versatility, and user-friendly features to meet the diverse needs of calibration, assembly, and tool room personnel. With its single-step access, the AWS 5012 streamlines your workflow and enhances efficiency during torque testing tasks. Equipped with plug-and-play technology, it automatically recognizes up to 7 transducers, saving valuable time and minimizing setup efforts. The AWS 5012 supports a wide range of measurement units, including AWS, in, LB, FT, Newton meters, CNM, KGFCM, GFCM, and KGFM, providing flexibility for various applications. Choose from 3 operating modes, track, peak, and first peak, to suit your specific testing requirements. The AWS 5012 automatically recognizes and configures compatible transducers, ensuring accurate and reliable measurements. With a torque range of 2.5-25 lb and a drive size of 1/4-inch SQ, this torque tester delivers exceptional precision and versatility. Powered by NIM rechargeable batteries, the AWS 5012 offers 8-10 hours of continuous use, making it a reliable companion for your torque testing needs. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Advanced Witness Series AWS 5012 Intellect Torque Tester. Its single-step access, plug-and-play functionality, versatile measurement units, and multiple operating modes make it an indispensable tool for calibration, assembly, and tool room professionals. Invest in the AWS 5012 and experience precision, efficiency, and reliability in torque testing like never before.